VE Pile Breaker Installation Explanation. The modules are connected to each other. First, put in the big fixing pin. Adjust the hole position again. Put in the small fixing pin. One circle and one nut. Put the circle on the nut. Tighten it. And so on. After the pin is installed, unscrew all the oil port caps. Install two T's. It is the branch interface for connecting the excavator. One is for oil return and the other is for oil outlet. The short oil pipe is installed inside. The long oil pipe is installed outside. The oil pipe assembly is complete. Use a wrench to check the oil pipe joint. Iron chain lock connection. Assembly completed. How to connect the excavator to the pile breaker. The pipe on the right is the oil inlet pipe. Connect to the T outside the pile breaker. The pipe on the left is the oil return pipe. Connect to the T inside the pile breaker. Connection completed. Testing started.